What is up everyone, John Flores here, and for today's episode I'm gonna teach you how to cook some dynamite rolls. Leveled up. Let's go. Intro. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you wanna learn as much as possible, especially ngayon, ECQ pa rin, so you're just at home wondering what to cook, so might as well hit that subscribe button right now. Ring that bell para wala kayong ma-miss na upload ko. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. I'm doing my best, guys. Let's proceed for the food. So for today, this is gonna be my own version. I think I had this before, I just don't remember where. And I kinda tweaked it na lang. And it's gonna be more prettier, I guess, than the traditional salt pepper wrap in wrapper and then wrap in wrapper. Salt pepper wrapped in lumpia wrapper or whatever and then fried. This one's different, so please do watch till the end. Without further ado, game. So that is it for this episode, everyone. I don't say vlog anymore because I realized dito vlog tutorial to, cooking tutorial. So that is it. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home. That was simple and then 2-in-1. We made a dip, Thousand Island dressing, Thousand Island dip. Just might as well call it whatever you want. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed and you'd learned something new, our own style, our leveled up Dynamite roll. Again, never forget to subscribe. Hit that bell if you like this one. Also hit that like, comment, share, whatever you want. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.